if you want to get more storage on iPhone 17, then we have two main ways to do so. You can, for example, open Settings, open your Apple account, and then in your Apple account settings, we can choose iCloud. And of course, you can upgrade to iCloud Plus in order to get additional storage. We can tap on this text in order to see all these offers that are available for us. But as you can see, it costs a little bit of money and it is per month, so it is like a subscription. And the second way to actually get more storage is by using a memory card or micro SD card. However, if you want to use a memory card, then you need to have a memory card reader. So for example, something like this. There are much smaller memory card readers as well. This is just an example, but essentially you are looking for one that has USB-C cable so that you can connect it to your iPhone. And then you can use your memory card or micro SD card, insert it into the memory card reader, and then you can connect your memory card reader to iPhone in order to get the additional storage. As a downside, of course, it is inconvenient to use on a daily basis because, well, it is rather big and you have to have it attached to your phone if you want to always have access to that additional storage. But as a plus, it is not a subscription. You just purchase a memory card and a memory card reader, and then you just have it. And if you have like a USB storage or something, USB device that has some storage, then of course you can use that as well. You can connect to the USB-C port at the bottom of the phone. But just like with the memory card reader, it is the same story. It is inconvenient to use on a daily basis, and you can only, well, you probably want to use only in situations where you want to like transfer data from the internal storage to the USB storage or the memory card. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.